Banu Sharma. Now today we are going to solve exercise 7.1. So exercise 7.1 to exercise 7.7 questions are based on indefinite integral. Jati pani questions are, these are based on indefinite integral. So question exercise 7.1, question number 1, find the antiderivatives of the following by the method of inspection. By the method of inspection. Now question is sin 2x. So sin 2x कहाँबाट आएको त्यो पहिला हामीले क्याल्कुलेट गर्नु पर्यो. So first sin 2x is cos 2x. So ddx of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. First differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now again differentiation of 2x. So differentiation of x is 2. So 2 यहाँनिर आउँछ. So in solution by method of inspection, ddx of cos 2x equals to minus sin 2x into 2. Now minus sin 2x equals to 1 by 2 ddx of cos 2x. यो 2 छ, यसलाई 2 लाई यसको डिनोमिनेटरमा ल्याए. So sin 2x equals to minus 1 by 2 ddx of cos 2x. So sin 2x equals to ddx of minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. So therefore antiderivatives of sin 2x equals to is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Okay, let's check. So integration of sin 2x dx equals to minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. So it is correct. Because sin nx dx is minus cos nx by n plus c. त्यो फर्मुला लगाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ यो हुन्छ. So next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is cos 3x. Number 2 cos 3x. So it is the differentiation of sin 3x. So in solution, ddx of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into 3. ddx of cos, no, ddx of sin 3x, here is sin. ddx of sin 3x equals to cos 3x into 3 because the differentiation of 3x is 3. So cos 3x equals to 1 by 3 ddx of sin 3x. So cos 3x is ddx of 1 by 3 sin 3x. So therefore antiderivative of cos 3x is 1 by 3 sin 3x. Now let's check. So integration of cos 3x dx is 1 by 3 sin 3x plus c. So this is correct. So next question, question number 4. So question number 4 is ax plus b whole square. Now this is the differentiation of ax plus b whole cube. So ddx of ax plus b whole cube So this equals to 3ax plus b square. Again differentiation of ax plus b. So differentiation of ax plus b. So differentiation of ax is a and differentiation of b is 0. So this equals to ddx of ax plus b whole cube is 3a ax plus b square. So ax plus b whole square equals to 1 by 3a ddx of ax plus b whole cube. यसलाई भित्र लगिदिउँ. So ax plus b whole square ddx of 1 by 3a ax plus b whole cube. So therefore antiderivative of ax plus b whole square is 1 by 3a ax plus b whole cube. So this is question number 4. Question number 5 is sin 2x minus 4e to the power 3x. So sin 2x is from cos 2x. So ddx of cos 2x equals to minus of sin 2x into 2. So sin 2x equals to minus 1 by 2 ddx of cos 2x So antiderivative of sin 2x is ddx of minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Similarly 4e to the power, so e to the power 3x. So e to the power 3x is simply 1 by 3 e to the power 3x. So differentiation of this is 3 e to the power 3x. So ddx of e to the power 3x is 3 e to the power 3x. Then e to the power 3x is 1 by 3 ddx of e to the power 3x. So e to the power 3x is ddx of 1 by 3 e to the power 3x by differentiation by. So in solution first what to do? So this is half. Now differentiation of minus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 4 into e to the power 3x by 3 equals to sin 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x हुन्छ. मैले इन्डिभिजुअल गरेको छु यहाँनिर. यो इन्डिभिजुअल sin 2x भनेको यति हुन्छ. यतिलाई डिफरेन्शिएट गर्यो भने sin 2x आउँछ. यतिलाई डिफरेन्शिएट गर्यो भने यति आउँछ. यतिलाई डिफरेन्शिएट गर्यो भने यति आउँछ. यति आउँछ भनेपछि therefore antiderivatives of sin 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 4 by 3 e to the power 3x. So this is question number 5. Now question number 6. From question number 6 we have to integrate the given function. Question number 6. The question is question number 6. Find the integral of the following. So question number 6 is integral 4 e to the power 3x plus 1 dx. Now solve this equals to integration. Now we can separate. So 4 take outside, e to the power 3x dx plus integration 1 into dx is dx. So this equals to 4. Now integration of e to the power 3x is e to the power 3x by 3, because integration of e to the power nx is e to the power nx by n plus c. So plus, what is the integration of dx? It is x plus c. So this equals to 4 by 3 e to the power 3x plus x plus c. This is the answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is integration of x square 1 minus 1 by x square dx. So this equals to, now first we have to multiply x square into 1 is x square minus x square into 1 by x square is 1 dx. So this equals to integration of x square dx minus integration of dx. So this equals to integration of x square is x cube by 3, because integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here power is 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3, in denominator 2 plus 1 is 3, minus integration of dx is x plus c. So this is the answer. Similarly, question number 8. Now question number 8 is integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Now first separate it. So this equals to integration a can take outside, x square dx plus b can take outside, b x dx plus c integration dx. So this equals to a. Now what is the integration of x square? It is x cube by 3 plus b. What is the integration of x? It is x square by 2 plus c. Now integration of dx is x plus c. So this equals to a by 3 x cube plus b by 2 x square plus cx plus d. Now this is the answer. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is integration of 2x square plus e to the power x dx equals to, now separate it first, 2 integration of x square dx plus integration of e to the power x dx. So this equals to 2 into, what is the integration of x square? It is x cube by 3 plus integration of e to the power x is same, e to the power x plus c. So this equals to 2 by 3 x cube plus e to the power x plus c. So this is the answer. Now 10, question number 10. Question number 10 is integration of root under x minus 1 by root under whole square dx. So look here, योची हेर्दा a minus b whole square फर्म में छ. So what is the formula of a minus b whole square? It is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this equals to a square is integration root under x whole square minus 2 into root x into 1 by root x, because this is a and 1 by root x is b, plus 1 by root x whole square dx. So this equals to integration of root x whole square is x. Now root x cancel, minus 2 plus 1 by x is there. So integration dx. After that, separate equals to integration of x dx minus integration to outside dx plus integration of 1 by x dx. So this equals to x, integration of x is x square by 2, because the power of x is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 1, minus 2 integration of dx is x, plus what is the integration of 1 by x? It is log x plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.